Hey guys, this is Adrian. If you recently had your account suspended, then you're probably watching this video to know why or how to get it back. So I'll let you know a few things. I was just starting on Upwork. I've been hiring through Upwork for some time, but this is the first time I've been going hard as a freelancer, trying to get some clients for my automation business. So what I want to tell you is that you can probably get it back. Depends on why your account was banned. For my specific reason, I was actually financially limited, so it was not banned. But basically, that's a pre-ban suspension. Yeah? They gave me 5 days to answer. Here's the thing: you probably got limited, and just like me, you didn't receive any emails, and you're like panicking because your life depends on it, or that's how it feels. So, listen, there are many different reasons they would do this, but I would say one of the biggest ones is which is what I did. Yeah, I was fiddling with my location. So I'm a Swedish citizen, and I was thinking if it was better for me to be located in Sweden or Poland. So I took a gamble and I lost. I put it to Sweden, even though I have a Swedish citizenship. I could go there any day. The IP address and that citizenship probably didn't match out, so they kicked my ass and gave me this suspension, which basically made me depressed for some time. Anyways, so if you want to get it back, this is what I try to do. So if you actually try to contact them through their customer support, basically the chat, AI chat, doesn't allow you to connect directly to a customer support service. So that sucks, and you know that. Then you probably try to go to the community, but then you're suspended. You're not allowed to make posts in the community if you're suspended. So at that point, I was like, okay, this is lost. I cannot do anything. I cannot even reach out to them. So, what else can you do? Let me just see here if I can show you. So basically, I felt like I was shadow banned, and that sucks. And I'm guessing that you're in the same situation. So what I recommend you to do is to send an email to support@upwork.com, and through that email they might give you a case number, which they give to me. So basically it was delayed, and then I had to resubmit my documents, my bank statement, and I finally got approved again. So I recommend you to do the same. Send an email. They will probably send you the case support thing. Another thing I want to tell you: if you have any like paper trail, if you try to take clients out of Upwork, if you try to, I don't know, do anything that's against their terms of service, then you might actually get banned. So this is not a video for those of you who have tried to do that. I just fiddled with my papers, and anyways, it's not worth it. Like, they take 10%, 3% is already transaction fees if you had a Stripe, and then like bringing a hot lead to you. So anyways, think about this stuff. Send that email, wait for them, and then they will probably send the right thread to you, and then upload your documents again. Hope for the best. So hope this video has been helpful, and see you next time. Bye. Good luck.